Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, in this video we will discuss certain tips and tricks which will be helpful to clear out your instant examination. These tips and tricks will help you to have the passing percentage more. So previously I have done a video in Telugu language. Some of the students are not comfortable in Telugu. For them I have doing this video. So let's discuss in this video about this topic. Okay. So instant examination, as you all know, so many of the students will have a thing that only 6 to 7 fail subjects only they will have, mostly of the students. So for them this instant examination is very crucial. Why? Because if they didn't pass in this instant examination, 1 year he or she need to wait. Okay, so that's why you need to clear out the subject in this instant examination, so that you need to give the 100% efforts. Okay, so here in this video I will give the certain tips which will be helpful for your examination as for your passing results. The first tip is revising your question paper. Whatever the question paper, last question paper you have done, for example in June you have written your 6 to 7 exams. That question paper, for example in BCom, if you are having CCMA backlog, okay, so in June 2024 whatever the CCMA question paper you have got, you go through with that paper, practice thoroughly, and whatever the problematic questions, whatever the theory questions they have given in that question paper, you prepare 100% that paper. Okay, why? Because 40% of the questions will repeat from that question paper only. So that's why what I will tell you all is, not that it is a problematic subject or a theory subject, you need to practice the last year question paper which you have written recently. Okay, so this is the first tip. Second tip is analyzing and practicing all the units. Okay, see, in regular examination if you are preparing 3 units for only just for passing marks, it will be enough, but here it is a crucial examination. We don't know how the correction will be by OU. Okay, as you all know, many of the students have written very well, they applied for revaluation, but still they didn't clear the subject. So that's why we don't know about the correction process, how they will do. The mentality of the corrector who is evaluating your paper, we don't know, but you need to give the 100% efforts. At least you will pass in that subject. Okay, see, now here scoring O grade, scoring A plus grade is not important right now in the instant examination, but clearing your subjects and being a graduated student is important. So that's why passing, at least you need to attempt the booklet, attempt the answers, attempt the question paper at least for 40 marks. In that 40 marks, if you are attempting correct the questions, at least 32 you will get. You can easily pass it. So that's why 5, if you are having 5 units in the subject, means compulsory you go through with that 5 units. Okay, already you have prepared for the examination, right? So you will have some knowledge, you will have some grip on that subject, so you can easily attempt it. And the third tip is, in question paper, attempt each and every question. Okay, each and every question you need to attempt, whether you know or don't know the questions also you need to give. If they are asking 2 questions in overall question paper you need to attempt, means you need to attempt it, the 2 questions. Okay, so if they are asking 5 questions, compulsory 5 questions you need to attempt in that exam duration. Now whatever it might be, 2 hours or 3 hours examination duration, in that how many questions they are asking in the question paper. For example, part A you need to attempt 5 questions, part B you need to attempt 5 questions, compulsory the 10 questions you need to attempt it. Okay, so this is the third tip. Fourth tip is, this is the very important and very useful for everyone. It is like a trick actually. And after attempting all questions, you keep a heading extra questions and try to write one extra also. Again I am saying, if you know or don't know the question, try to attempt the extra question also. Just keep heading extra questions and try to give some introduction, some information based on the topic, where evaluator, the person who is correcting your paper will have an intention that this student has prepared very well, he attempted or she attempted all the question paper, whatever the questions asked, and also they are attempting extra also. So we need to do the passing, like best impression you will get by the evaluator. Okay, so this is the fourth tip. Fifth one is presentation. Okay, how much you have studied is not important, how much you are presenting that paper, how technically, how briefly, how creatively you are presenting that booklet is very much important. For example, in part A, if you know only 2 questions out of 5 questions, you need to attempt 4 questions. So some students, what they will do in part A, they will attempt the 2 questions, they will shift to part B, they will attempt 2 questions, again they will shift to part A. Don't do like that. Like, you present the booklet, present the answers in the booklet like order wise. If you are attempting part A, keep part A. In that, how many questions you know? 3 questions you know, but you need to attempt 5 questions. You attempt that 3 questions, leave space for 2 questions and go for part B. Okay, and in part B you have completed overall 5 questions. Again you come back to that page, whatever the leftover space you are having, you try to write something related to the topic. If you know or don't know the question, as I have said, no, whatever the related to the topic, if you have written the information, means at least you will get 1 or 2 marks, right? So that's why there will be a no negative marking, no negative for the answers, right? So that's why attempting every question is very much important. So this is the 5 tips I usually tell my students to follow. Definitely you will have a results in your final examination results. So hope you have liked this video, hope this tips and tricks is helpful to you all. If you are having any further doubts, let me know in the comment section, and I will upload the videos regarding the instant examination important question and explanation video, everything. So stay tuned to our channel. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and groups. Okay, this video will be helpful for them also. And any further doubts, let me know in the comment section. All the very best for your examination and all the very best for your preparation also. See you all in next video. Hope you all will be graduated by completing this instant examination. All the very best. Good luck and bye bye, and thank you so much.